Hi, Lisa Carter from Bucars here today. Today, we are going to be talking about our Stratus lineup built by Venture RV. Now, we've carried these since 2019, since they came out. Venture and Stratus, they're part of KZ. KZ's been around since 1972. I have also been around since 1972, so I can say it takes a long time to make something really good. As well, we have a whole lineup of the Stratuses. We're going to use the proper word. I'm going to use the word strati. I'm going to try to say that as much as I can because we love these trailers and our customers love them. Lots of great features that we're going to talk about today. Part of the reason that we love the strati so much is because they are so well built. They have a walkable roof. I'm not getting up on there, but you can walk up there. Heated enclosed underbelly, great thing so that you can go out in the shoulder seasons and not worry about that little bit of coldness that might happen while you're camping. Here we are in Alberta. It's a little cold today. We love the colors of the strati as well. You can get them in this beautiful gray color, which is different than pulling around a white trailer. There's all kinds of radiant heat foil inside this trailer to keep the heat in and the heat out. We have as well Asdo, which has no wood inside this wall. So there's no formaldehyde that will dissipate from the walls, so it won't rot or mildew, things like that. And also around the front of the trailer here, we have a very beautiful molded fiberglass front. Here we are at the 261 VRB Stratus. This is the outside kitchen. This is the outside kitchen. It's got a TV. It's got a sink. We have a lovely griddle here and a little fridge too. So here we are inside the 261. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen and living room. Now, I could stop here and tell you a million things about this trailer, but the thing that I love the most about this particular model is this bathroom. This is a bathroom. You get a full height shower. You got a beautiful little corner for your sink and your medicine cabinet there. And the storage in here is gigantic. Even a hookup for washer dryer. Here we are inside the 241 VRK. So back kitchen. Here's the door. You get a straight shot into the fridge here so that when you're unloading all your stuff, you just put it all on this big counter straight into the fridge. Lots of seating space here. So you can sit at the counter here, or you can sit at the nice little dinette. Great little couples unit. You have a center bathroom pass through to the bedroom. And in the living room here again, you have a heated and massaging couch, theater chairs. Here we are inside the 211 VBH Stratus. We have a larger version of this as well, but we wanted to show you this layout because it's a beautifully simple family trailer. You have a nice upfront bed for mom and dad, a big U-shaped dinette over here in the kitchen, and two big bunks in the back here, 500-pound capacity, and a nice little bathroom too, decent size for everybody to be comfortable in there. And it's just a really nice layout for a family that wants to go camping and have some fun. This is the big bunkhouse, so a little more luxurious than the previous one that we looked at. It's larger. We have an entertainment area here in this trailer. Fireplace sitting in front of heated massaging theater seats for the two people that get there the quickest at the end of the day. You have a nice little eating nook over here with your dinette. The bedroom is through that door over there. Nice little kitchen in the corner over there. It looks like a little house kitchen with the tiles in the back. Some underlighting. It's quite glorious. We have the bunks are open over here, double on double, right next to the door. And there's a really nice secret in this trailer. It is the large pantry / shoe stashing spot and coat hang up. So we really like this trailer. One of the biggest in the Strati family. Here we are inside the 199 VRBS Stratus Sport. It is a little cousin of the Strati we've been looking at. It still has all the same DNA that Venture likes to put inside their beautiful trailers. This is a really cute little trailer. We are loving it. It is a great couples trailer. There's no slide in this trailer, so really simple. There's a nice big bed. We have a beautiful dinette here that you can sit and play cards at or turn it down for the grandkids that might want to come with you. Beautiful little kitchen. And the bathroom in here is quite impressive for this tiny little trailer. You could store a heck of a lot of things in here. There's your closet. Nice size shower, lots of storage, big fridge. This is the perfect trailer if you need a really light trailer and built really well. Thanks so much for spending some time with us today. It was really fun to show you the Stratus lineup. All these Strati are here for you at Bucars. I'd love to show you ones that are perfect for couples, for families, for people with dogs, for people with kids, for people with smaller vehicles. There's a Stratus for everybody. And Bucars really believes in this lineup. Venture's done a great job, and I hope you'll come in and see them in person.